how are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In today's recipe, I got you a very easy and quick to make bread recipe, cinnamon chocolate chip bread, very tasty breakfast recipe or tea time snack recipe. Do try it and let me know how it turned out. There are so many breakfast recipes available on my channel. If you didn't get a chance to check them out, link will be in the description box below. Please do try them and let me know how they turned out for you. And if you do like my videos, please do subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's go and see this yummy recipe. So let's look at the ingredients we need to make this cinnamon chocolate chip bread. Brown sugar, milk, maida, baking soda, 1 egg, oil, any flavorless oil, canola or vegetable you can use, chocolate chips, sugar, normal sugar, cinnamon and vanilla extract. These are the ingredients we need. So let's get started. So let's mix our dry ingredients first. First goes in 2 cups of maida or all-purpose flour. I already added in 1 cup. This goes 2nd cup. And to this we are going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Measure correctly. Baking is all about measuring your ingredients right so that nothing will go wrong. And half teaspoon of salt. And 2/3 cups of chocolate chips. This is our main ingredient. 2/3 cups of chocolate chips. There you have it. Mix it once. These are our dry ingredients, so just mix it once so that baking soda is nicely mixed in through all our batter. So now let's make our cinnamon sugar. So I took 3/4 cup of brown sugar and taking in 1/4 cup of normal sugar and 1 egg. Let's beat in 1 egg. We are going to mix in until these are nicely combined. You can mix it with hand. I'm going to use mixer and mix it. It's nicely mixed in. Now we are going to add rest of the ingredients. First goes in 1/3 cup of oil. Next goes in 1 cup of milk. And the last ingredient is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. That should be good enough, and we'll all mix it in nicely and then add our dry ingredients. Nicely mixed in. Do not over mix when you are adding dry ingredients. Just mix it enough. That's it. Just add everything, mix it once and you're done. We didn't add cinnamon sugar yet. Remember that. We'll add when we are making the batter. Nicely mixed in. Do not over mix. Now we'll pour the batter into our loaf pan. If you have a pan like this, just pour it in and you'll be ready to go. I'll spray it with a non-stick spray. There you have it. Nicely spray it in, and in goes half of our batter. Just pour in half of the batter. That's it. And now we are going to sprinkle all as much as you can with the cinnamon sugar. Just dust it as it will taste really good. So don't skimp on it. You'll not probably use the entire whole batch. That's fine. But I like to add little bit extra. Add as much as you prefer. And this remaining thing will stay good for cinnamon coffee. Let's add the remaining batter. Look at that yumminess. Don't worry about making it perfect. It will become perfect when it bakes. So don't worry about making it perfect. Just put all the batter in and it's ready to go into the oven for 45 minutes to 1 hour. So after 45 minutes, keep a close eye and see if it's done or not. So let's get started. I preheated the oven to 350 degree Fahrenheit. Remember that. And let's go put it in the oven. I like to top mine with chocolate chips so that it will look really pretty. Just top like this. So it will give nice chocolate look on the top. I will not mix in this. If you don't want it, don't add it, no problem. It will still taste good and yummy. My kids like it, so I am adding it. It's ready to go into the oven now. Oven is preheated to 350 degrees, so let's put in our bread. Let it bake for 45 minutes to an hour. Keep an eye after 45 minutes. My bread is out of the oven. Just take a butter knife and run your knife through the end so that it will separate from the pan. Just because we've sprayed the oil, it will separate easily. It won't trouble you at all. Just wait for at least 15 to 20 minutes before you flip it and ready to slice it so that it will cool down a little bit and slice very perfectly. If you cool down completely, it will slice absolutely perfectly. If you don't have time like me, at least wait for 20 minutes so that you can cut it nice. It's been around 20 minutes, so now let's flip our bread. Simply place a plate on it and flip it. It should come right out. Look how beautiful that is. Nothing is left in the pan, as you can see. Just because we sprayed oil, it will come out really good. You can cut it like this, but I like to flip again to see the beautiful top. See? And now we'll slice it. I like to make medium pieces. Do what you think is best for your family. Look at that beautiful piece. Do try it and let me know how it turned out. If you do like my videos, please do like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.